It's me, Mario!
Hello guys, we are the
Bytecodes!
and I'm the leader of this group. My name is Emmanuel Dimisola.
My name is Jemani Sean Gabriel Pentingue.
My name is Jared Domnes.
And my name is Raji and Declaro.
And
Let's
let's
do
do
Arduino 101!
Hello everyone, this is our Arduino project number 11, which is Interact with Servo. So how it works is we're going to control a servo motor using a potentiometer. The servo is connected to digital pin number 9 and the potentiometer to analog pin A0. So as you return the knob, the servo rotates smoothly between 0 and 180 rotation, responding to the analog input. So here we have the materials. Here we have the DF Arduino Uno R3. So it is a compact microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328P, compatible with the Arduino IDE. It features color-coded headers for easy sensor connections and support digital and analog inputs, making it for learning, prototyping, and development. Next, we have Arduino, a prototyping shield. So it involves using an Arduino board, sensor, actuators, and code to create a functional mock-up of a device or a system. Here we have the jumper cables male-to-male. They are essential wires used in electronics to connect components on a breadboard or between modules. Male-to-male jumper cables are flexible wires with male connectors on both ends, used to link electronics components during prototyping and circuit testing. So here we have the servo. It is a small motor with built-in gears and control electronics that allows it to rotate to a specific angle, usually to 0 or negative 180 rotation. When connected to an Arduino, the Arduino sends control signals, PWM, such as pulse width modulation, to tell the servo that what angle to move to. So here we have the 10K potentiometer. So it is a variable resistor that lets you adjust resistance by turning its knob. When connected to an Arduino Uno, it usually acts as an input device. The Arduino reads the changing resistance through the middle pin as varying voltage on an analog pin A0, A5. This lets control things like brightness, motor speed, or menu selection by simply turning the knob.
So hello guys, so this is the AP11 interact with server motor or server. So first we're going to include a server library. So here we're just including that here. Next, after that, we're going to create a server object to control the server motor, which is here. Then after that, we're going to create a variable that is the analog pin for the FOT or potentiometer here, which is around A0. Then another variable to store the analog or raw value of the analog here. So inside the setup function, we're just gonna attach the servo motor to the digital pin 9, which is here. Then after that, in the void loop, we're just going to assign the variables by storing the value of the analog potentiometer inside the vol value. And after that, we're going to convert the value of the potentiometer to a server angle. So by doing that, we're taking the raw analog value from the potentiometer, which ranges to 0 to 1023. Then this remaps it to 0 to 180 degrees here, and this is the raw data of the analog potentiometer. And we're just going to convert that to 0 to 180 degree. Then after that, we're going to write or set the position of the servo based on the map value that we got in the value by mapping it here. Then short delay to allow the servo to reach the position by 15 milliseconds. So that's the how the interact with servo works.